Good morning, students. Today we see the types of derivatives. There are four types of derivatives: futures, forwards, swap and options. प्रीवियस क्लास में मैंने आपको बताया था व्हाट इज द डेरिवेटिव्स. एक बार वापस रिपीट कर देता हूँ. डेरिवेटिव्स आर फाइनेंशियल इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स. मैंने बताया था आपको, एक तो रियल असेट्स होती है, फाइनेंशियल असेट्स होती है. तो डेरिवेटिव्स आर फाइनेंशियल इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स हुज प्राइस इज डिटरमाइंड बाय द प्राइस ऑफ एन अंडरलाइंग असेट. और फोर टाइप्स के डेरिवेटिव्स होते हैं: फ्यूचर्स, फॉरवर्ड्स, स्वैप्स एंड ऑप्शंस. अब हम देखते हैं कि फ्यूचर डेरिवेटिव्स क्या होता है, फॉरवर्ड डेरिवेटिव्स क्या होता है एंड सो ऑन. Futures, forwards and options are example of financial derivatives. Options and futures are traded at standardized contracts on exchange, whereas forward contracts are negotiated agreements between counterparties. Forwards and futures give access to a commodity at a determined price and time somewhere in the future. A forward differ from a future that it is traded between two parties directly without using an exchange. अब हम डिटेल में देखते हैं व्हाट इज द फ्यूचर कॉन्ट्रैक्ट्स. ए फ्यूचर कॉन्ट्रैक्ट इज एन एग्रीमेंट बिटवीन बायर एंड सेलर to trade a certain asset on a date that is predetermined by those involved in the transaction. The contract includes a description of the asset, the price and the delivery date. Futures are a very liquid type of derivatives, meaning they are easily bought and sold, and the investors can generally get into and out of futures positions rapidly. Now we see the forward contracts. A forward contract is similar to a future contract, but it is not publicly traded on an exchange. Forwards are private agreements between a buyer and a seller. And since forwards are privately traded, they are typically unregulated as well, so there is a risk either party to a contract may default. Now we see about the swap contracts. A swap contract is a contract between a buyer and a seller to exchange multiple cash flows at present future dates. The value of these cash flows is determined by a dynamic metric such as an interest rate, with one party receiving a set amount on each date and the other an amount that varies according to. And the next contract means derivatives is options contract. Options are a form of derivatives which gives holders the right but not the obligation to buy or sell an underlying asset at a predetermined price somewhere in the future. There are two types of options: calls and puts. A call option confers the right but not the obligation to buy a certain asset on or before an expiration date at a certain price. When we take an option to buy an asset, it is called a call, and when we obtain the right to sell an asset, it is called a put. To determine whether it is profitable to exercise an option, the current market price and the price in the option need to be compared. By comparing both prices, a choice can be made to either exercise the option or let it expire. रीजन फॉर यूजिंग ऑप्शंस. क्या क्या रीजन्स होते हैं फॉर यूजिंग ऑप्शंस? देर आर टू मेन रीजन्स. सो इन्वेस्टर वुड यूज ऑप्शंस, that is speculation, and next is hedging. Hedging related to risk. अभी हम देखते हैं. तो हम देखते हैं कि टू मेन रीजन्स है. फर्स्ट है स्पेकुलेशन. स्पेकुलेशन इज द बेटिंग ऑन द मूवमेंट ऑफ ए सिक्योरिटी. द एडवांटेज ऑफ ऑप्शंस इज दैट one is not limited to making a profit only when the market goes up. Because the versatility of options, one can also make money when the market goes down or even sideways. Speculation is the territory in which the big money is made and lost. Now the next reason is hedging. The other functions of option is hedging. Think of this as an insurance policy. Just as one insures one's house or car, options can be used to insure the investment against a downturn. By using options, one would be able to restrict one's downslide while enjoying the full upside in a cost effective way.